Hello everyone. In this video we are going to do the white patch cover up on this particular area. So we have started the process now and we are matching it up with the exact skin tone and we are trying to bring the exact output. So as you can see in this picture, we are matching it up with the exact skin tone of the client. We are making a good progress on it. Starting it might looks a little darker and small bleeding will be there, but that's completely normal. After some time it will be start to become normal and there won't be much of a swelling or bleeding will be there. See, actually it's coming out really nice and there is no much of a bigger changes and it's coming out really good. And I would like to say it's completely different from the tattooing method. The inks are specifically made for vitiligo treatment and it's not similar as a tattoo. So vitiligo patients cannot be able to go ahead with the normal tattoo pigments. So we use the micro pigments for that. With the help of micro pigments, clients be able to hold the inks for a longer duration, and that's the reason why this micropigmentation inks will be perfect to be go ahead. As you can see, it's matching it up with the exact skin tone and it's looking perfect. Many of them still have a doubt how this treatment is happening, and it's nothing but we are pouring artificial colorings into your skin so that your skin is getting back the actual skin tone, and it's one of the least maintenance one. The patch test is almost going to get over. As you can see, this is the final output. You can see now, yes. And I'll meet you guys in the next video. If you want to contact us, please contact us in the above display number. Don't die nude.